In travel news for December 13th, 2023, we talk about the reopening of the iconic Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, an award-winning travel agency that makes travel so easy, even a blind traveler like me can do it. And now, Today in Travel. After the catastrophic blaze that engulfed Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris, France, the world watched in sorrow. Now, nearly 6 years later, the Gothic masterpiece is poised to welcome visitors and host Catholic masses once again, marking a new chapter in its storied existence. Scheduled for December 8th, 2024, the reopening symbolizes resilience and dedication to cultural preservation. The task of reconstructing Notre Dame has been monumental, beginning earnestly in 2022. The decision to restore the 12th century edifice to its original glory, including the iconic 19th century spire, reflects a commitment to historical accuracy and architectural integrity. This year, the spire's reinstatement will serve as a beacon of the cathedral's revival. While the cathedral will open its doors in 2024, ongoing renovation efforts are anticipated to continue into 2025. The complexity of the restoration encompasses various aspects, such as the framework, paintings, stonework, vaults, organs, and stained glass, involving around 1,000 workers each day. In tandem with the restoration, cultural initiatives are underway to educate and inspire the public. The exhibition Notre Dame de Paris, at the heart of the construction site, located in an underground facility near the cathedral, showcases the artisan's expertise and displays artwork that has been salvaged from the fire. Furthermore, the Louvre is hosting Notre Dame Cathedral from its origins to Viollet-le-Duc until January 29, 2024. This exhibition offers a deep dive into the cathedral's rich history through more than 120 works, providing context and appreciation for the ongoing restoration efforts. The reopening of Notre Dame Cathedral is not just a milestone for Paris, France, but a testament to global cultural resilience. As we anticipate the doors opening in late 2024, the ongoing restoration work and accompanying exhibitions remind us of the intricate blend of history, art, and community effort that shapes our world heritage. This event marks not only a restoration of a historical site, but also the rejuvenation of a symbol of human perseverance and artistic dedication. Today in Travel is brought to you by The Adept Traveler, an award-winning travel agency that specializes in making travel easier for everyone. From the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled traveler, it's our belief that everybody deserves to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends.